Good afternoon. And a lot of people have been asking me lately what the deal is with the charcoal chimney versus using lighter fluid. And what it's been happening is that people stopped understanding that lighter fluid is a chemical, and even though you use it on charcoal, you're still going to be cooking with chemicals. Okay, here we go. We're going to be discussing the charcoal chimney now. Here is my very old 15-year-old charcoal chimney. As you can see, rust is beginning to have been affected to it, and it stays out here all weather. But what you will notice when you look inside is a grate in the shape of a cone on the bottom. So when you pour the charcoal stops right here, so you can put the newspaper underneath. So now what you'll notice is that I have about 4 quarts of charcoal in here, as well as a few pieces of newspaper. Roll into a ball and stick underneath the chimney. Now, take a couple of matches, light the newspaper, and what will happen is that as that newspaper starts to light, it's going to light that bottom layer of charcoal that's right here. And as that charcoal layer gets hot, the next layer is going to get hot, the next layer is going to get hot. You're going to see it smoke like this for a little while, and once this smoke stops going, then you know that it's cooking. And I'll come back later and I'll show you what you want it to look like before you pour it. And we're back, and as you can see, most of the charcoal has turned white. You see it is red hot, and which means for me that this guy is ready to be poured. Very carefully taking the handle, which is heat resistant. You're going to take this guy over to your cleaned grill, and you're going to pour it on one side. Give it a good shake. Now realize that this thing is crazy hot. Once I dropped the yarmulke in it by accident because my hair was short, and I pulled it out, and you can see the grill marks on the yarmulke. Okay, so I've now grilled for 2 minutes, 3 minutes on each side this chicken that I spiced and used a little olive oil on. And now on the charcoal side, I'm going to put some cherry wood chips. Okay. And I'm going to cover it. And what you'll see now is that it'll start smoking the chicken, because the fire is here, the chicken is here, the smoke will travel over the chicken and go out. Now, granted, I'm doing this at a higher heat, so it's not going to be a heavy smoke because the chicken will finish faster. So the more raw the chicken is, the more smoke it absorbs. So just think that it's not going to be raw for a long time, so it'll absorb some smoke, so it won't be a heavy smoke, but it'll still be smoked chicken Lakova Chavez.